This is Mia from EchoSetter AI. You've got a call scheduled with us tomorrow, Thursday, August 7th at 8 a.m. It's all about helping you build a successful SaaS agency business. Does that time still work for you?
I didn't set it at 8 a.m. I thought I set it for later in the day.
Thanks for letting me know. How about we look at a time after your work hours? What time works best for you?
8 p.m.
Got it. Let me check if 8 p.m. tomorrow is available and update your appointment. One moment. It seems 8 p.m. tomorrow isn't available. Let me find the next closest evening slot for you. How about Monday, August 11th at 8 p.m.?
Sure.
Your appointment has been updated to 8 p.m. on Monday, August 11th. It seems 8 p.m. on Monday, August 11th isn't available either. Let me find the next evening slot for you. How about Tuesday, August 12th at 8 p.m.?
This is not working. Well, here's what's bothering me. On the sign-up sheet, you're able to choose times. You put in your information, you have my number, you have my email, you have my name, you have my email address. I put in the time, then you say, I don't have any of those times.
I hear you, and I completely understand how frustrating this must be. It sounds like there's been a mix-up with the scheduling system, and I truly apologize for that.
I'm irritated that you have all these appointment times, but yet all you have is appointment times when I'm working, and I need to get back to work soon, but you have later times, and then none of those later times are available.
I completely understand your irritation, and I truly apologize for the back and forth.
Oh, no, it's not against you as a worker. It's not against you. It's not you. I'm telling you this right now. It has nothing to do with you whatsoever.
Thank you for saying that. I really appreciate your understanding. I'll make sure to pass along your feedback about the setup process to the right team so they can improve it. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.
No, that was it. No, you were fine. You were fine. Absolutely fine. You're great. The people above you, though, they need to do some work.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot.
I am signed up to the online group. I will check in the online group to see if there's anything there, and I'll just go from there.
That sounds like a solid plan. If you need anything else or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Wishing you the best with everything, and I hope the group provides some great insights for you. Take care.
All right, you too.